Welcome to Data Engineers Academy. In this video, we will create a dataset and table in BigQuery, insert sample data, and verify the results in the Google Cloud Console. Let's begin with the command line. First, we authenticate our Google Cloud account using the command gcloud auth login. This opens the Google Cloud login page where we select our Google account and complete the authentication. Next, we check the active Google Cloud project using gcloud config getValue project. This displays the project that will be used for our BigQuery resources. Now, let's create our dataset. We use the command bqmk student_dataset. Here, bqmk creates the dataset, and student_dataset is the dataset name. To verify the dataset, we run bqls. This lists the datasets available in our current project, and we can see student_dataset in the output. Now let's create a table inside this dataset. We use this command to create table. Here, student_dataset is our dataset and students is the table name. The table has 3 columns: name, which is a string, age, which is an integer, and city, which is a string. After running the command, the table is created. To verify it, we use bqls student_dataset. This lists all the tables inside our dataset, and we can see the students table. Next, let's check the table structure using bqshow student_dataset.students. This displays the table information and schema. We can confirm that our table contains the name, age, and city columns with their respective data types. Now let's insert some sample data. We use the BigQuery command with use_legacy_SQL is equal to false, which tells BigQuery to use standard SQL. Our insert statement adds 3 records to the students table. After executing the command, the data is inserted into our table. Now let's use select statement to see the data that is inserted into the table. Now let's verify everything in the Google Cloud Console. Open the Google Cloud Console and navigate to BigQuery. Select our Google Cloud project, and under the Explorer panel, we can see the student_dataset. Expand the dataset, and we can see the students table that we created from the command line. When we open the table, we can view its schema. Here, we can see our 3 columns: name, age, and city. Now select the query option to view the query. Now run the query. Then we can see that the table is created and the data inserted into the table by running it. This confirms that our dataset and table was successfully created and the sample data was successfully inserted. Thank you for watching. For further details, contact Data Engineers Academy.